Fat burning drink before bed to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon powder, 1 cup of hot water. Preparation: heat 1 cup of water. Remember not to bring the water to a boiling point since it may then kill all the natural ingredients. Add all the ingredients to water and mix until they are dissolved. Drink before bedtime to allow the body to work the magic. Take this for about a week to see results. Do some exercises for faster rapid results. Look better than you looked yesterday. Subscribe for more natural enhancing tips.